I've been using the Moomoo app now for about 4 months, and I was reluctant to get involved in it because I realized it was a Chinese company, and I don't invest in Chinese companies. So I did some research, and I found that it's insured by SIPA, the same as my Schwab account, my E-Trade account, for $500,000, and I don't really foresee the day that I'll have more than $500,000 in my Moomoo account, but I just find it easy to trade on. I use my Moomoo app virtually every day. I open up in the morning to see what the early market is doing. I use then on my desktop, I use the Moomoo charts almost exclusively anymore because they give me a good, clean picture of the chart. They are right alongside the chart. They give me all the current news, daily news, almost timely news by the minute as to what's happening on that stock, which helps explain to me why it's moving in one direction or the other. And then I also use it very extensively when I'm away from my desktop. We go to lunch or something, and I want to see what the market's doing. I use my Moomoo app. I just don't see why anybody wouldn't do this, particularly when they're giving away free stocks, plus they're doing a special promotion through the end of, I think it's the end of December or December 20th, where they'll give you another $100 on top of the 15 stocks that they're going to give you. I mean, come on. This is almost like Halloween. Trick or treat, and there's no tricks involved. It's just all treats. So I would highly recommend that you look at Moomoo, you get it on your phone, you make it an app, and you learn to use it. It even has communities, it has paper trading, it has anything and everything that the big Fidelities and Vanguards, but it's on your phone. And so if you don't have it on your phone, you're basically out of the market. I don't know, when you're not at your desk. So I can't tell you what to do, but I like the word free. I really do. And I would suggest that you take advantage of Moomoo and learn to use it. The only real issue I see with it, it takes a little time to get the money uploaded and into the account, but I've been very satisfied with it, and I find it to be a very effective app and very convenient. I was reluctant. I got to be honest. I was reluctant when I saw, what was it, Webull and Robinhood. Well, those are toys. That's not what big boys do. Well, this big boy has changed his ways. And as I said, it's insured the same as your E-Trade, your Schwab, or your Fidelity, or any other account. So you can't get hurt. So take it. It's free.